Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to rearrange posts and Threads profile grid. So, as we all know guys, Threads is by Instagram. So it should be similar to this app. Also, when we want to rearrange posts in our Instagram, what we gotta do? We will just go to a picture or to a post and we will do this thing that I will show you. So let's go into Threads, right? I want to head over into your profile just like this, from this icon or your profile picture below on the bottom right corner. Tap on it, and once you get to your profile, let's consider that I have lots of posts because this is not my main account. Alright, so I just posted this screenshot just to show you how you can do that. Right, so by pin our post, we will rearrange it from the right to the left and from the bottom to the top left. Alright, so what you want to do is to go into this 3 points, right? So I need to refresh my profile. Okay, there's 3 points, and right here I want to just to tap on pin to profile, and it will be rearranged automatically. So I will show you on my Instagram because I have some posts right there. So it's similar. We'll go into our post. For example, I need to rearrange this post from right to left. I will tap on it, and after that I will go into this 3 points, and then I will go and pin it. Alright, it's right there, pin to your main grid. So by doing that, it will be on the left here, and it will be on the top right here. As you can see, we just rearranged the post. Anyways guys, thank you for watching and goodbye.